Moving into a new place can be difficult. Being away from the friends and family that you know so well. It's not always easy to open up to new people. But hey, new beginnings, right? People always say, explore new things, push your limits. Uni's the best place for that. But why is it so tiring? Sometimes, all we need is someone who understands. To pick us up in that moment of uncertainty. And perhaps they've been here all along.
Dinner with the house?
Okay. I'm right where I want to be.